Hey, how's it going, everybody? Back here at Dash Tricks with another walk around video. If you like what you're watching, you want to stay up to date with the inventory, make sure you like, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on your post notification bell. That way you're notified every single time we post a new video. Without further ado, here's today's 2017 GMC Sierra 2500. This is going to have stock number 37469, and of course it's our four-wheel drive crew cab diesel pickup truck. As you guys can tell, the quality on this vehicle is very good. It's a very nice vehicle. This has a turbo diesel engine and it has 205,000 miles. As we're walking around, I'll go ahead and give you guys a good view of all of our quality features on the vehicle itself. And of course, I will go ahead and give you guys a preview of what it looks like inside the cabin. As you guys can tell, the tread on our tires are amazing. Here at Dash, we pay attention to the small details to make sure that you guys are able to take a vehicle that is in the best condition possible. With a head-on view of the vehicle itself, this is what our truck looks like. We do have our square tow hitch right down here. And then of course the connection for our trailer, if that's what we wanted to use this vehicle for. Here in the back, we do have our bed length of 6'7" with a width of 5'4", and I'll go ahead and show you guys what it looks like from the inside. Of course, I went ahead and opened up our actual bed. Here we do have our tie-down hooks right on the sides, and then we also have our bed liner fully equipped for a specific type of hitch, if that's what you were interested in looking to use this vehicle for. Of course, this is very versatile, meaning that we're able to use it for many different purposes. Now I'll go ahead and close this up and show you guys the rest of our truck. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the rest of our vehicle, giving you guys a good wide view of what our truck looks like from far away. This is honestly one of my favorite trucks here. I will go ahead and open up our doors and give you guys a sneak peek inside of the actual cab. And now with our doors open, go ahead and show you guys our view inside the cab from the passenger side. This is what our front part of the vehicle looks like. Of course, I'll hop in the front wheel and show you guys what our view is from the steering wheel itself. Do have our different compartments right in front of the passenger with our door features looking like this. Coming towards the back side, this is what our view is. Of course, we do have our DVD TV sets right on the actual back part for our passengers in the rear side. We have our sliding rear window, and then we also have our little cup holder section right there. This is what our door looks like. As you guys can tell, the quality in our vehicles is very good. We like to make sure that you guys are able to take the best quality home. And now I'll go ahead and hop in front of our steering wheel and show you guys a close-up. On the dash itself, we do see that it has 206,031 miles. This is our view of our steering wheel. We do have our cruise control right over here on the left side with our powered controls over here. On this side, we do have our trailer brake, which is nice whenever you're towing, and then the access to our headlights, which is right down here. Right down here, we do have our power locks windows, and then of course we do have our access to the actual side mirrors. This will help open and close them as need be and position the mirror itself as you're driving. Safety child's lock is going to be right over here. Let that focus a little bit. Coming over here on this side, we will find our radio. This radio works well with AM, FM. It's touchscreen and you're able to connect via Bluetooth if needed. Down below you will find the AC. This AC works wonders. It's very powerful. Right now it's starting to get very hot here in Colorado, so this has came in handy, especially when I'm working on vehicle, it is very nice to just have it on and running while I'm in here. Down here we do have our heated seats, as you guys can tell, and this is going to be on both seats. Of course, we do have our different buttons right over here. Here is going to be all of our plug-in device connections. As you guys can tell, we have a different sort of variety. Of course, this is going to be the center console, our cup holders, and then we have our integrated phone charger, which is right over here. Going right above where our actual center console is, we do have all of our buttons, and this is going to help us with our actual sunroof. And then our window in the way back. So here, I'll go ahead and show you guys just a quick rundown of what it looks like. I'll go ahead and push this open so I can give you guys a good ample view. Okay. And then I'll go ahead and close it right back up. And that's what that looks like. And then we have our little window in the back. And then before I show you guys our engine, I'll go ahead and give you guys a good view of what our reverse camera looks like. So as you guys can tell, you have a good ample view while you're parking or reversing. This will come in handy. And now I'll go ahead and give you guys a close-up at our engine. Here at DAS, we want to ensure that all of our vehicles are fully serviced and fully reconditioned. So I want you guys to take a quick look at our 6.6 liter V8 engine. This engine holds 445 horsepower and it runs off of an automatic transmission. That'll wrap it up for today's 2017 GMC Sierra. This is going to be our four-wheel drive crew cab diesel pickup truck. If you guys have any other questions on this vehicle, make sure you call us or text us. Our sales team are amazing and they usually know how to answer after hours when needed. Make sure you guys check out the link to the website. That is going to have all the information on every single vehicle that we sell, along with the warranty that we provide with them. That's just a way of providing quality for our customers. Please make sure you guys also read that small information snippet down below. I'll be leaving information I spoke about in the video just for you guys. Thank you tons, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.